The vision of Healing Hearts Vietnam is to see every child in Vietnam be able to get life-saving heart surgery regardless of their ability to pay.
My name's Chad Hoyt. I'm currently a practicing cardiologist. I'm the director of the Heart Vascular Center at Centra Health in Lynchburg, Virginia. I have been going to Vietnam for over 12 years now. The first trip there, I went down to the Mekong Delta, which is in the southernmost portion of the country. We held a clinic where we did a cardiovascular screening clinic, and I was able to identify some patients with some major cardiovascular ailments, and there was one 30-year-old woman who had a 6-year-old son. Her husband was a farmer. They didn't make very much money. She had a defect in her heart called an atrial septal defect. The Lord kind of put it on our hearts to give and pay for her surgery.
Hi, my name is Tom Forsberg, and I'm an emergency medicine physician here in Lynchburg, Virginia. We officially started Healing Hearts Vietnam in 2015 when we realized that our supporters back here in the United States and our physician contacts that we had would be able to make a great impact for the people of Vietnam because of the need that we identified.
Over the years, every trip that we made on a yearly basis, we would add more to our trip. For example, we started doing medical lectures in hospitals. We would train physicians to do procedures in cardiology and emergency medicine. We donated medical equipment, and we developed relationships. I met a cardiologist who was trained in the US but is Vietnamese, and I said, if there's something that we can do or provide for you and for this country, what would it be? And he said, what we really need is a fund to help support these kids that have major heart defects. There's a lot of poverty, and we have such a waiting list of kids that need operated on, and many of them will die. So we thought, wow, wouldn't it be great to be able to raise $10,000 to support some kids? Well, it turns out the first year we raised $100,000, and to date we've paid for about 350 children and adults to have open heart procedures, life-saving procedures.
We believe that God has created every child and every person of equal value and loves every one of those, and we want to share that love with the people of Vietnam.
We have this model where we go out into the remote areas. We'll see tribal people, whoever can come. We'll screen them. Often we're the first medical personnel they've ever seen in their lives. And we'll do these ultrasound screenings, identify the patients, and then we will send them to the local heart hospital to have their operation and pay for that financially.
Heritage Baptist Church is paying for 100% of all administrative expenses, so that the money that is donated to Healing Hearts Vietnam, every single penny that we receive goes towards surgery, life-saving, life-changing surgeries.
Your gifts will help support that effort, and we've just seen amazing results. So your prayers and financial support are key.